In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can filter your CapCut videos to look better on smartphone. So I have here a CapCut video and I'd like to go ahead and add filters so that it looks better. To do so, first go and select the video on the timeline, and that is it. It is now selected. From here, I'll go ahead and then use this bar down here and then look for the option called adjust, and here it is. So if we go ahead and tap on it, you can just go ahead and auto adjust if you have a pro account. You can also add color match and color correction. So if I go ahead and tap on auto adjust and then just tap and release, it will enhance the appearance of that video by just tapping on it and releasing. It will do it automatically. However, if you don't have a pro account, then go ahead and do it manually. So we can go ahead here and adjust brightness and do this manually to the level you wish, like that. If you want to adjust it, you can do it. You can also adjust contrast by moving this scale front and back until you reach your best. We also have other effects such as saturation. We have also brilliance, and this will enhance your video by just doing some adjustment on them. Look at that. This is so great. If you also want to sharpen it, you can also use this option and your videos will look much sharper than ever before. Apart from the adjust function, you can also go ahead and use the filters option, which is here. If we tap on filters, you can filter your video into various forms. Like we have this, we can filter it into this. Look at that. And these effects will be added to your video. So if you're okay with that, it will be applied, and now look at how sharp they appear. So go ahead and sample throughout these filters, and there are quite a number of free filters that you can apply on your video to enhance its appearance. So that's how you filter your videos in CapCut using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.